Okay.
Happiness.
Yes, like you all said, the lesson's name is health is happiness. Okay. Now, what do you all mean by that? It means that if you are healthy, you will be happy, right? When you're healthy, you will play, you will jump, you will do everything. Okay, but then if you're not healthy, if you're sick, what will happen? You'll be only sleeping, you'll be lying on the bed, right? Yes. Okay, so in order to be healthy, what should you do? In order to be healthy, what should you do?
Good food, ma'am. Healthy food. Healthy food, ma'am.
Yes.
Healthy food. Healthy food.
You have to eat
Good
healthy.
food.
Yes, you have to eat healthy food. Make sure that you take lot of make sure that you take lot of food, okay, lot of fruits, lot of vegetables, everything that is highly everything that has vitamins, proteins, everything you have to take in healthy food so that you stay healthy. Okay, and now you know that the virus is also going around, right? Because of which you're having online classes. How many of you all are missing school here? Just raise your hand or give a thumbs up. Yes, all of us are missing school, right? Instead of sitting and looking at each other on the system or on the phone, we would like to meet each other. We like to play with our friends. Yes. Okay. So in order to be healthy, you also have to improve your immune system.
Yes,
okay. So that, yes. Okay. So that you don't fall sick. For this, what should you do? You have to eat healthy food. Okay. Like you have to take your fruits like apple, orange, banana, all this you have to eat well. Okay. And even if you're drinking juice, do not go in for Pepsi or Coke or anything. You have to drink only fresh juice. Okay, like you can ask your mommy to just put it in the mixie and she can give it to you, right? Okay, you can have fresh juice at home only. Okay, even that, avoid buying outside food. Ensure that you eat everything what is homemade. Okay, that is more healthy for you all. Okay, children, shall we move into the lesson now? Okay, now I'm going to be yes, I'm going to be sharing the lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you all see the lesson, children? Can you all see the screen? Y'all can see the screen, right? Y'all can see the page?
Yes.
Yes, just show a thumbs up if you're able to see. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, now that you're able to see, yes, y'all can see when the cursor moves. Can you all see that plus sign with that, what do you call that? Can you see this cursor, children, near unit 1? Okay, you will follow this as I read, okay? Unit 1. Okay, unit 1, health is happiness. Okay, health is happiness. Okay, I want everyone to pay attention. Please do not make noise here. Okay, the ones who are having background noise, I'm muting everyone. Okay, now I will read. I want you all to listen carefully. Okay, I want you all to listen carefully. Look at the pictures and read the words given. Okay, you can see some of the vegetables and fruits that are given in this picture. Okay, I'm sure many of you like all this, right? First picture is that of grapes. Okay, grapes.
Ma'am, grapes, carrot,
Yes.
fish, banana, coffee, potato.
Very good, Dikshita. Okay, very
Juice,
good.
grapes, potato, carrot, fish, banana, coffee.
Okay, now some of you all are reading. Some of you all are reading very good.
Potato.
Okay. Yes, very good, Kushal. Okay, now some of you all are reading very good. I want everyone to listen, please. Okay, let us move ahead because if one child talks, the next one will start talking. Okay, so when that happens, none of you all will be able to listen. Okay, first let me read everything and then I will ask you all also to read. Okay, so please do not unmute yourself unless and until you're asked to. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can either just raise your hand if you're doubt, or you can just put a thumbs. You have the option of raising your hand even online also. Okay, you can do that, but please do not unmute yourself. Okay, now here in the picture, like Dikshita, Nikhil and Kushal had read, what are the pictures given here? You have grapes. Okay, then you have carrots, then you have fish, then you have bananas, then coffee. As much as possible, please avoid coffee, children. Okay, you are not supposed to drink coffee. Okay, you're not supposed to drink coffee. Children, you all can have milk or you can have Horlicks boost, but not coffee. Coffee is only for elder people. Okay, and then you have juice, and then you also have potatoes, right? Okay, so you all like grapes and banana. Just show a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Just show a thumbs up. Please do not unmute yourself, but okay. Yes, very good, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Yes.
Now banana. Yes. Now bananas and grapes. They come under which category? Do they come under fruits, fruits or vegetables?
Fruit, ma'am.
Very good. They are
Fruit, ma'am.
yes. Okay. Next you have carrots and potatoes, which come under vegetables. Okay. Then you have coffee and juice, which comes under drinks, and then you also have fish, which comes under meat. Okay, some of us who are non-vegetarians, we also prefer fish, chicken and all this, right? Okay, but the the vegetarians will prefer only fruits and vegetables, while the non-vegetarians will prefer everything. Okay, now we'll move on to the lesson here. Okay, can you all see the lesson now? You all can see the next page? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Now I will read the lesson and I will explain to you all. Please do not unmute yourself unless and until I ask you a question. Okay. Yes. One day, Manoj returned home sadly after school. My friend Ankita did not come to school today, Manoj said to his sister Sharadi. Okay, so we have a small boy who's a 6-year-old, and what's his name? His name is Manoj. Okay, so he's gone to school and then he's come back home. So when he comes home, he's very sad. Okay, so why is he very sad? Because he says to his sister's name is Sharadi. Okay, he says to her that my friend Ankita did not come to school today. Okay, so because he missed his friend, he tells his sister, he's very sad. Okay, so Sharadi, okay, Sharadi asks, why? Sharadi asks, she's not well, Manoj replied. Okay, so when his sister asks him why she didn't come to school, that time what does he say? He says that she was not well. Okay, our health is important. We need 3 things to keep us healthy. Okay, so remember, our health is important and we need 3 important things which will keep us healthy. Okay, now let us see what are those 3 things that will help us to be healthy. Okay, Sharadi started explaining to Manoj. Okay, so now she tells him what are the 3 things that are important. First one, eating well. Second one, exercising. And third one, getting enough sleep. Sharadi said. Okay, so here Sharadi gives 3 important things which are very important for everyone, not only for children, but even for adults, for everyone. Okay, only if you do follow these 3 important things, we will also be healthy. So what are those 3 things? First and foremost, you have to eat well. Eating well means you have to eat healthy food. Okay, remember, no Maggie, okay, no pasta, no junk food. Okay, they are not healthy. Just because you eat all that does not mean that you are eating. Okay, that it means that you're only filling your stomach, you're not eating anything healthy. Okay, when people say that you have to eat healthy, it means you have to take in lot of fruits and vegetables. Okay, and exercise. Okay, exercise is something which some of you were able to do it today along with Das Master, right? Okay, so remember, not only on Mondays, every day in the morning when you get up, just do a little bit of exercise which will keep you active throughout the day. At least if you come to school, you will have your break times where you will be running around in the school, right? But at home, we tend to just sit in one place or just walk around over there. Okay, but then make sure that at least a little bit of exercise you'll do once you get up in the morning. Okay, and then the third thing is getting enough sleep. What do you mean by getting enough sleep? Does it mean sleeping at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the night? No. Okay, make sure that you have your dinner early. Okay, probably by 7:38 you have to you have to finish your dinner. Then you cannot sleep immediately. Give at least half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour break. Okay, then after that, go to sleep. Okay, if you sleep by 9 o'clock, by 6 o'clock, you should be able to get up without any problem. Otherwise, you will be yawning in the class. I can see some children yawning as well. Okay, now, Sonu Preetham, can you sit and listen?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Sonu Preetham, I want you to sit. Okay, sit and listen. I don't want you to fold your leg. I can see what you all are doing. Just because I'm seeing the screen doesn't mean that I cannot see you all. Okay, so make sure that you all are following whatever I'm reading here. Okay. So what does Sharadi, now who is the boy here in the class? The boy's name is Manoj. Okay, the boy's name is Manoj. When he comes back from school, he is very sad. Okay, so why is he sad? Because his friend Ankita did not come to school. Okay, so when his sister asks him, who is his sister? His sister's name is Sharadi. Okay, so when Sharadi asks him why she did not come to school, what does he say? He says that she was not well. Okay, because she was not well, she did not come to school. That time, what does Sharadi tell? She tells him that our health is very important, right? If you all are sick, you will not be able to attend your classes. Okay, so when you miss your classes, you also miss out on the lessons that is being done for that day, right? So in order not to miss any of the classes, you have to you have to be healthy. So what are the three things that Sharadi says is important? She says that you have to eat healthy, then you have to do your exercises every day, and you should also get enough sleep. Okay, so if you do these three basic things, you will be healthy and you will not be missing any of the classes. Okay, now let us read further. Okay, eating well, what does it mean? Manoj asked. Okay, so let's see what does it mean here. Okay, can you all see the screen, children? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we will continue. Okay, what does eating healthy mean? Manoj asks his sister, no? So let's see what explanation she gives. Okay, food plays a large part in health. Healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables, but not junk food. What are the junk foods? The chips, then you have McDonald's, you have KFC, all these are all junk food. Okay, as much as possible, avoid all these. Okay, eat something what your mommy makes. Your mommy makes all yummy food at home only, right? Okay, so make sure that you all eat what your mommy prepares at home. Okay, and avoid all the junk food. So what are the healthy food? Your healthy food includes your fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, we get food and sleep at home, right? Your mommy prepares food, you get food at home, you sleep inside your house, so you can get even your sleep at home. But where can we get exercise? Manoj asked. Good question, right? Food, you get it from home, even sleep also you get from home. But what about the exercise? Okay, so let's see what she says. Okay, playing is a very good form of exercise. Yoga is another excellent activity. Okay, don't worry about that. Whenever you get time, go out and play with friends. Okay, saying this, Sharadi pushed Manoj out to play with his friends. Okay, so here in this lesson, you learn that how important is your health. Okay, so what are the three things that Sharadi said is very important for your health? She mentions sleeping, eating healthy food, right? Eating healthy food, sleeping, getting enough sleep, and also exercise. These are the three important things that is very important to have a healthy lifestyle. Okay, so like she said, you have to eat healthy food, which includes your fresh fruits and vegetables. Whatever your mummy prepares are all healthy food. Okay, so do not avoid anything. You have to eat everything that your mummy prepares. Okay, and then how do you get your exercises? How do you get your exercises? By playing with your friends. Okay, if you had school, you will still have your exercises, even if your PT classes will be only for 2 days a week, but still every day you have your break times, right? Where you run around and play with your friends. That is how you exercise. Okay, and what does Sharadi do after she explains to him how he can get the exercise? She sends him out of the house, right? She says, now you go and play. Okay, just because y'all are just because there is no school does not mean that you cannot have your exercises. Like the way Das Master did today, you can still do. Even yoga you all can do. It is a very, very good form of exercise. You have so many things. Okay, even online also you can just check if you want. You can, with your parents' help, you can see what are the yoga steps that you all can do. Okay, which will help you to be healthy. Okay, now I will call out each child and I will ask you what you understood. I will ask you the questions. Okay, I want you all to answer. Okay, children. Now, Sonu Preetam, you can unmute yourself. I will ask you the question. I want you to answer. Okay. Now, before I go ahead with questioning, did everyone understand the lesson? If you've understood the lesson, just show me a thumbs up. Did you all understand the lesson? Just show a thumbs up if you have understood. Yes, very good, Pranav. Very good, Nikhil. Very good, Arul. Okay, yes. Now that you have understood the lesson, I will ask questions. Now, Sonu Preetam, can you unmute yourself? Yes, very good, Sonu. Sonu, can you give me what is the child's name in this lesson? What is the boy's name?
Manoj ma'am.
Manoj
ma'am.
is Manoj. Very good, very good.
Manoj ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay. Children, remember only the ones whom I ask, I want only them to answer. Otherwise, the class becomes very noisy. Okay, everyone will not understand what I'm asking or what answer you all are giving. Okay, thank you, Sonu. Thank you, Sonu Preetam. You can mute yourself. Okay, now next question. Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why was Manoj sad when he came back from school? Why was Manoj sad when he came back from school? Tell me, Nikhil. Nikhil, did you hear? You're not listening. You're turning here and there. Can you tell me why was Manoj sad when he came back from school? Okay. Sweta, can you tell? Sweta, you can unmute yourself and you can tell me.
The friend not coming school.
Very good. What was his friend's name? You remember what was his friend's name? Sweta,
Ankita.
very good, very good, very good. Okay, Manoj was sad because his friend Ankita did not come to school. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, why Manoj was very sad because
Ankita done school, ma'am.
yes, Ankita did not come to school because of which he was very sad. Okay, and what was his sister's name? I want Andrew to answer. What was his sister's name? Andrew, you can unmute. Yes.
Sarah.
I want only
Sarah.
Andrew to answer. Yes, Andrew.
Sarada.
Very good. Her name was Sharadi. Okay, Manoj's sister's name was Sharadi. Okay, now I'll write on the board the names. Okay, see if you all can see. Okay, the child's name is Manoj, right? And then his friend's name is
Shadi.
Ankita. Sister's name is
Sharadi.
very good.
Shar-
Sister's name is Sharadi. Okay, so when yes. Okay, now when Manoj told his sister Sharadi that Ankita did not come to school, because of which he was very sad, Sharadi, his sister, says that health is very important, right? Now she tells him that 3 things are very, very important in order to keep ourselves healthy, right? Can I have Daivik?
Eating well.
1 minute, Charvi. Charvi, I'm asking Daivik ma, 1 minute. I will ask you also. Okay, Daivik, can you hear me? Okay, Daivik, you're not able to hear, or sorry, Nikhil.
Exercising, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute. Okay, now Melvin Alliston, can you tell me the answer? Melvin?
Eating
Yes,
well.
Melvin, can you tell me the 3 things that are important in order to keep ourselves healthy? What are the 3 things?
Eating well.
Eating and well, ma'am.
Very good. Second one?
Exercise.
Very good. Third one?
Early to sleep.
Go early to sleep, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Thank you, Melvin. Okay, so what are the 3 things which Sharadi says is very important in order to have a healthy lifestyle? She says that you have to eat well, right? She says you have to eat well. Then second, she says you have to do exercise. And then third, she says you have to get enough. You have to get enough sleep. Okay. So in order to eat well, what should you do? You have to eat healthy food. Okay. So what are the healthy food? She says fresh fruits and vegetables are healthy. Please avoid junk food. This is not only for Manoj, but for all of us. Okay. It's not only for Manoj, it is for all of us. So what should you eat? You have to eat healthy food. What are healthy food? Like your fresh fruits and vegetables. Then second one is exercise. How do children get their exercise? Very good, Kushal. How do you get exercise? By running around and jumping, right? Yes, you have to go out to play. That is how we get our exercise. Unlike elder people, probably they may go to the gym or somewhere where they can do their exercises, right? But as children, what are your exercises? You're just running around, playing, running and catching. All these and all are a form of exercise. Okay, then sleeping well. That is getting enough sleep. What do you mean by getting enough sleep? You have to sleep on time, sleep early and wake up early. Remember, sleep early and you have to wake up early. If you sleep late, you will be getting up late. Or if your mommy forces your class is starting, get up, what you'll do? You will still get up and reluctantly you'll sit in the class. Will you understand what's happening in the class? No, because your mind is either still in sleep or you will start feeling hungry, right? So in order to avoid all this, sleep early, wake up early, freshen yourself, have your breakfast, and then sit for the class. Okay? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Okay,
Sharadi also says there is one more form of exercise, which is an excellent form of exercise, which is that
Yoga.
very good. Yoga is yoga is an excellent form of exercise.
Yeah.
Very good, children. Okay, so did you all understand the lesson, children?
கேட்காது இது
Did you all understand the lesson? Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to send you both the pages to the group. Okay, what I want you all to do is read the lesson. Okay, I want you all to read the lesson. This will also be a reading practice as well for you all. Okay, you all have to read the lesson. And then next class, that is tomorrow's class, I will be asking you more questions on this. Okay, but since you do not have your textbooks, your textbook exercises will work out after you get your textbooks. Okay, so now I will be asking, since I'm sending you the photo of the lesson, I want you all to practice reading the lesson. Tomorrow I will ask anyone to read in the class. Is that clear, children? I want you all to practice reading. Is it clear? Just show a thumbs up if you have understood what I said. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, very good. Yes, so today's class, what are you going to do? You're going to practice. You're going to practice to read.
English, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now before I finish,
English, ma'am.
okay, now I'm going to call out your names for attendance. Okay, I'm going to call out your names for attendance. Okay, I want you all to sit quietly. Only the name of the child that I called,
Present, ma'am.
only the name of the child that I called should and